All right, this one's going to be really short because it's really simple. So we're going to hit T and bring in our text tool, and I'm just going to type something up. Here we go. And I'm going to center all that by hitting Control A and then coming up here and lining everything up. And if this menu isn't showing up for you, just hit V so you're bringing up your cursor. And I'm going to hit Control D to deselect everything. And I'm going to hit Control T to make this a little bit bigger. Click on Effects, bring in a stroke, and set it to inside. And I'm going to set mine up to 2 pixels for now because I know that's usually a good size to start off. And you don't see it there because the fill is still inside that text. So just hover over here on the right to where it says fill and bring that to 0. And here we go. Now you see the outline. And if we click on stroke to turn the effect off, you see it disappears and comes back in. And by double clicking again on the stroke, you can make that as thick as you want or as thin as you want. And like I said, I kind of prefer mine to be at 2 pixels. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. See ya.